Hello, my dear listeners. This is Dr. Morgan, and I'm honored to be with you today. I've been a practicing physician for over 30 years, and if there's one thing I've learned, it's this: aging doesn't have to mean weakness. Many of my patients, people in their 60s, 70s, and beyond, tell me the same thing. Doctor, I used to be strong. Now, I can barely get out of bed in the morning without my legs giving out. Well, let me tell you something surprising. Your body can bounce back faster than you think. And the key, it's not in a pill, it's on your plate. Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 science-backed foods that can restore leg strength and energy within just 12 hours. I'll also share stories from my own patients who've tried them with amazing results. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium fix. Let's start small, literally. Pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons. That's all you need. They're packed with magnesium, a mineral most seniors lack. Without it, your muscles cramp, your legs feel heavy, and your nerves don't send the right signals. Case story, I had a patient, MS Evelyn, 73. She had terrible calf cramps every morning. After just 3 nights of eating soaked pumpkin seeds, your cramps were gone. Tip, soak them overnight. Eat in the morning, unsalted, your legs will thank you. Tart cherry juice, the recovery tonic. Next up, tart cherry juice, not sweet cherry sour concentrated ones. They're full of anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and help flush out lactic acid after movement. One study showed a 36% improvement in muscle strength in a single day. Drink 6 to 8 ounces a night, or post-walk, my patients report feeling lighter in the legs the next morning. Cooked spinach, the circulation booster. Spinach, especially cooked, is rich in nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in your body and improve blood flow. Better blood flow equals sign more oxygen to your legs, equals sign more strength. Saute briefly with garlic and olive oil. Avoid overcooking. Lentils, the muscle stamina food. Lentils are loaded with slow digesting carbs, leucine, and fiber. They feed your muscles throughout the day. Real patient Mr. N 68 added lentil soup to dinner. After a week, his stair climbing got easier. Haven ditched his cane. Salmon, triple action for muscles. Wild salmon has it all. Omegas, vitamin D, and protein. These reduce inflammation, improve recovery, and rebuild leg muscle. Grill or bake with herbs and lemon 2-3 times a week is perfect. Quinoa, complete plant protein. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein with all 9 amino acids, great for vegetarians and muscle repair. Cook like rice, mix with veggies or eggs. Beets, the blood flow supercharger. Beets are nitrate rich, boosting nitric oxide. Seniors drinking beet juice walk 19% faster and feel more stable. Try 1 glass in the morning before activity. Bone broth, liquid muscle fuel. Bone broth is liquid gold, full of collagen, glycine, and electrolytes. It repairs joints, rebuilds muscle, and reduces soreness. Sip 1 cup warm on an empty stomach, or post-exercise homemade is best. You see, it's not just age that weakens us, it's nutrition, recovery, and blood flow. Fix those, and your legs can feel stronger tomorrow. Start with 1 food, then 2, build a habit. Before you know it, you're walking better, standing taller, and feeling more alive. If this helped you, share it with a loved one. And remember, your legs carry your story, treat them well.